Another fountain. Damien, I didn't want you in the picture.
Now that's something to look at.
No, wait, that's something to see.
He's standing right there in the picture.
Oh, Dad! That's something to see!
Got him. His damn spark squilpy's ass. Did it even hurt you, Jake?
I think you already jumped over it.
I did jump over it. What are you talking about?
I'm not jumping over it.
Now, is that all the fountains?